So,
You're a new Prime Minister.
yeah.
Are you sure you're up to the task?
Oh, definitely. I went to Eton and studied classics at Oxford. I've been waiting my whole life for this.
Okay, first task, the economy.
Things are getting more expensive.
Oh, I've noticed that. We can only have one bottle of Pinot with dinner, rather than our usual 3. Quite a crisis.
A cost of living crisis, you could say.
What should we do?
We could make sure the prices of alcohol don't get any higher.
Completely unrelated, but some people are upset that they aren't getting paid enough to afford to live.
But that sounds so selfish. Let's just ignore them.
Give us better pay.
No.
We'll stop voting for you.
With a heavy heart and at the advice of my fellow party members, I will be resigning.
Prime Minister.
Prime Minister. It's good to meet you. Why are we here?
You're expected to make a speech about your plans for this area in 5 minutes.
What do you think would help our country right now?
Coal mine.
Coal mine?
Please don't build a coal mine here,
Think of a wildlife.
and humanity's future as fossil fuels choke us to death.
I literally don't care about any of that. We'll stop voting for you. With a heavy heart.
It's great to meet you both. I'd like to go through a few of my plans to improve this country. First, I think people should be able to afford to live.
Prime Minister.
Prime Minister.
Oh, right, that's me, yes.
We thought we were meeting you in the meeting room.
Sorry, I forgot about that. What were you going to say to me there?
We need a solution to all the protesting.
We keep having to replace our Prime Ministers to make people think that we're listening to them.
What should we do?
We could ban protesting.